This Monday on Degrassi.
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a tornado warning for northeastern St. Joseph County, Indiana, until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Goulavoyer Park, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near South Bend around 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Mishawaka, Georgetown, and Roseland around 4:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Osceola and Granger. This includes Interstate 80 in Indiana between mile markers 76 and 87. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: St. Joseph, Indiana,